Every week, new flaws are found in the open source packages your data pipelines are built from. A mid sized company gets thousands of alerts. Almost none matter. The hard part isn't finding flaws, it's knowing which 5 out of 1,000 are actually dangerous. That needs something no scanner has: knowledge of your data, what feeds what, what's retired, which columns hold personal information. DataHub already stores all of it. Blastradius reads it, and instead of adding to your alert pile, takes half of it away. This is running live against a real data hub. 46 flaws found. 23 need attention. 23 have already been dismissed. And here's why you can trust that. These two pipelines run the same old Python installation, so they carry exactly the same 23 flaws. Look at this one: CVE-2020-14343 in PyByML. On the live pipeline, it scores 56 out of 100 because it reaches customer first and last names. The identical flow on the retired pipeline scores 1. Dismissed. Nothing reads from that pipeline anymore, same flow. Opposite answer. The only difference is what DataHub knows. Now, the part nobody else does. When Blastradius dismisses a flaw, it writes an official document saying so. OpenVex, a standard auditors accept. Every other tool stops there. But that document is a snapshot. It says this pipeline is retired and nothing reads from it. True on Tuesday. On Friday, someone switches it back on. Your document is now a false statement that you signed and nothing tells you. Blastradius records the facts behind every decision, watches them, and takes its own dismissal back. One person flipped one setting. 23 dismissals stopped being true. That's one alert naming the cause, not 23 pages at 3 in the morning. You can check all of it. Here's the document we published before. Version 1, everything not affected. Here's the correction. Version 2, the same statements now affected. Every decision carries a fingerprint of the facts behind it, so anyone can recompute it and prove nothing was edited. And the AI never decides. It explains and investigates. It cannot mark anything safe. 259 tests pass with no AI configured at all. Security decisions that expire when the world moves under them. Built entirely on DataHub's context graph.